Here we have 4 casts of Cremonese instruments, a Stradivari here and a Guarneri here, and they are beautiful to look at. The way that modern violin makers make instruments is to make copies of these by making little outside templates like this and matching them up to their own instrument. But really, the most important shape is not what is on the outside, it's not even on the inside, but it's the line that bisects the two, which we call the constructional shape. Now, if I take you over to here, I've got 2 drawings showing cross sections of a Cremonese violin, and I've done a dotted line here to actually identify this constructional line. And the reason I like to identify this line is because inevitably you won't be making your instrument the same thickness as the original, because every piece of wood is different. And so if we made this one, let's say, thicker, we would be changing this constructional line, and that would give you a different instrument effectively. And the other important point is that it perfectly follows what we call a catenary. And a catenary is the curve that a chain makes when it hangs like that. And you can actually literally hold it up to these constructional lines like that, and you can see it absolutely perfectly follows that chain. And the important thing about this catenary is that it's the strongest curve possible. And it shows that they were using the strongest curve possible in the middle of the instrument. You won't have a catenary going all the way on every cross section of the arch. It's only in the middle section here that it's really strong. But by comparing the arch to a catenary at various sections here, I can then identify where the arch is really strong and where it starts blending into what we call the recurve at the edges. And every instrument will have this relationship with a catenary.